Data storage.
It's a cloud-based, fully managed data warehouse. Mainly for what? Mainly for data
Storage,
storage,
data
data,
processing,
data processing,
and data analytics.
data analytics. Okay, so this is mainly for OLA, that is mainly for analytical purpose. Okay, it's an analytical solution. It's a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for storage, processing, and it's an OLAP system. It can handle huge volumes of data, like terabytes to petabytes of volumes. It can handle easily. This is fine. And the Snowflake is a SaaS model. What is SaaS model? Tell me.
Software as service.
Software as a service. What exactly it means? Software as a service in the sense like what?
We don't need to install any hardware and software.
So no need to install any software or hardware. The patches, the upgradation part we don't involve. So everything will be managed by the service provider. Just we should pay and use it. Okay, see, just we need to create account and work on it. Now see, this is the functionality. Okay. Let me create account. Already created account. Okay, see, sign in and make it work. So see, create the account. Okay, first where I should click on it, create SQL worksheet. So why I should go for SQL worksheet? If I want to communicate with the Snowflake or database or data warehouse, we should go for what? Go for SQL. So simple thing, SQL is a structured query language. Okay, it acts as a what? Bridge between user and Snowflake. Simply, if I want to communicate with anybody, we should go for a language. Same thing. I want to communicate with the Snowflake, I should require SQL. SQL acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. Now, what happened now? I want to create database object. I want to fetch something. Now we should require what? We should require SQL commands or SQL
statements,
languages or SQL statements. Okay, or basic building blocks of SQL. So see, SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statement or basic building blocks of SQL are related to what? Related to only one thing, that is called as what? That is called as DDL, then DML. Okay, so DDL, DML, DCL. So you should go step by step. So DDL, DML, then TCL, DRL, DQL, or DCL. So see, these are SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statement, or basic building blocks of SQL. Remember, if you know this thing, almost like 30% of SQL will be counted, because without this, we can't able to proceed. What is DDL abbreviation? DDL abbreviation.
Data definition language.
So definition language. So data definition language. What is DML? It's a data manipulation language. We'll see all these things today. What is TCL? Say transaction
control
language. Okay, see language. What about DRL or DQL? Say data
language or data query language.
Retrieving or querying purpose. Okay, so this is one. What is TCL? Say data
control language.
Control. So controlling. Okay, see control language. See one more time. Definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval, and control language. So see, these are the important thing. One more time. So these are main things. Okay, without this, we can't able to proceed. That's why it's called as basic building blocks of SQL. Definition, manipulation, transaction, and retrieval, and control language. So we'll see the same thing. Let me go for DDL. Now tell me in Snowflake, what are the DDL commands we're having? DDL commands or DDL statements?
Create, alter, drop.
Drop. So in Snowflake, create, alter, and drop. These three commands will be there. Create statement, alter statement, and a drop command. So create command, alter, and drop. What exactly create will do? Tell me, create will do?
It will create the table or views or process.
Create any new object.
New database objects. What is database object? It can be new database, new schema,
Schema,
or table,
table,
or view,
view,
or procedure, or function. Anything. So these are the called as database objects. Okay, see, let me tell you detail. What is creates? It is used to create a new database object. Now let's create simple table. 1 second, we'll go for the same thing. 1 second. So let me go back here. Okay. So SQL worksheet. Let me go back here. Okay. Let me create simple table. Tell me table syntax is that what? So create table
name
underscore column 1 data type. Okay. Column 2 data type. Okay. So once you're comfortable now, this is okay main thing. Okay. So data type 2. Okay. So data type. Okay, see my clicks, multiple columns we can have. So create table name, column 1, data type, column 2, data type. Okay, tell me what is data type here? Data type here. So which type of data? So we are storing in the particular column. Okay, see one more time. So this is important. So data type is nothing but what? Which type of data we are storing in the particular column. Column in the sense like what you tell me, it can be, I want to store number related thing. Where I can store number related thing, you should store in, tell me.
Number data.
In the number, okay, int or integer or numeric. Okay, we'll see the same thing. What about next one? I want to store alphabets, alphanumeric, special character. We should go for what? We should go for what? We should go for, okay, go for varchar 2. We'll see the difference. Varchar 2 text string char. We can enable. Same thing. I want to store date related thing. So date. Tell me. So date, time, timestamp. Okay, like this, multiple things will be there. Okay, so this is the functionality. So timestamp. Okay, so the same. So number, varchar date. Now I want to store true or false. How to store true or false? Tell me true or false. So Boolean data type. Boolean data type. I want to store semi-structured data. JSON, XML. You should go for what? Go for variant data type. We'll see the same thing in Snowflake. This is variant. Number, varchar, date, Boolean, variant data type. Now what happened? Let me create one table. Okay, or else like what happened? Let me take one table. 1 second. So we'll see the task. We'll complete DDLs, DMLs, all this thing today. Okay, now see. Now I want to create this object. Now what happened? I should create a table. So create syntax is that what? So create table name. Tell me what name I can give for this use case. I can give for this use case. Tell me.
Other details.
Other details. Okay, other details. And what I should mention? Other details underscore T. T is for table representation. It's a table object. So bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Tell me other number is what data type? Other number is what data type? Tell me.
Number data type.
It's a number data type. So number. Okay, see number. Okay. Same thing. Next one is that what? Name is what data type? It's a
Varchar.
Okay, I'm putting 30. Same thing. Next one is that what? Address is what data type? Varchar. Can I put 10 na size?
No.
It's a bigger value. Okay, so same thing. Okay, see address. So mobile number is what? It's a number data type. Okay, what about email? Alphabets, number, special character. We should go for varchar. Okay, see now point is that what? Tell me, is it good looking? Huh?
No.
Always you should follow coding standards or coding alignment. Okay, see, so put the same thing. So like this, you should have the alignment should be proper alignment should be given. Okay, see the same thing.
Having one doubt here.
Good.
In Worker, we can use any data type, right? So what will happen if we use for everything Worker?
No, see, point is that not when I go for varchar, no, so see, suppose let me go back here. Suppose if I go for date, okay, now date is what? It's a 20, 25, 01, okay, 03. If I go for varchar, now what happened? Now it will treat as string, not a date. That will issue, no? So see, point is that what if I go for a date, no? Okay, see, 1 second. So meanwhile, I'll try to explain it. It's loading. I'll try to give the solution. So if I go for everything as a varchar, what happened? No, it will be now tell me it's a date or string. Tell me it's a date or string. It is a string. So it will treat as string only. Okay, see, I'll explain 1 second. One second. So before that, tell me now we should write everything in Notepad++. And what we should change the language to what? Language yes and SQL. So that what? So see, bracket open, bracket close. If I put one more bracket, what happens? An extra bracket we can easily understand. Tell me if I copy the submit yourself. So see now what happened? Now copy the same thing, Control C, and go back here and execute in where? Execute in where?
SQL worksheet.
SQL worksheet. Tell me it work?
No.
What happened?
Sheet.
So see, remember, if I want to create anything, what happened? First we should have one database. And the schema should be there. Okay, so see, point is that what? Let me create one database. So create database. Which type of database will work in the development database? Okay, see, RMS, any name, RMS, dev, DB. RS like what? So EDW. Okay, EDW database. Okay, see, database created. Next, we should create one schema, logical representation schema. So schema. Okay, tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what's my schema name. Tell me by using query.
Select current
database, current schema.
Select current database.
Current
schema. Okay, Control Enter. Now it will give so EDW database dev schema. Same thing in this database. In this schema, I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables. Show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Okay, see. Okay, see, show tables. As of now, table is not available. Now, how to create a table by using which command? By using create statement. So create statement. What is shortcut? Shortcut is Control plus enter. Okay, see the same thing. Control enter. Now what happened? Table has been created. Now I want to see the tables. Go for show tables. Okay, see it will give list of tables. Now what happened? Now as of now, with the help of DDL, that is create. I am trying to create a new table. Now I want to fetch the data. Tell me how to fetch the data by using which command? By saying select. I'll explain. I can see now what happened. So see now data is available. Now what happened? Now I want to fetch the data by using what? By using DRL. I can see DDL create statement. So what about next one is the DRL, that is select statement. Okay, I'll explain the varchar. I'll explain it. Want to see DDL create statement. Now I want to fetch the data. How to fetch the data by using data retrieval or query language. Okay, see create statement, select statement. Now I want to fetch the data. How can fetch? By using select statement. See, select star from table name. Okay, see step by step we should go. Select star from table name. Now see what happened. Now it will projecting all the columns and all the records. If I want to fetch the data, we should go for select star from table name. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now what happened? So tell me daily, what type of call will have? What type of call in a project?
Scrum call,
Scrum call. Scrum
So
call.
Scrum call or status
stand up,
call
Status
or
call.
stand-up call. Okay,
Stand up.
stand up. Okay, stand up. Now, point is that what in the Scrum call, okay, all the team members will gather and discuss on the tickets, discuss on the Jira tickets, like ticketing tool. So now what happened in the discussion? Okay, client is asking instead of 5 columns, he wants to add city column also. He want to add country column also. Now how to add country column? So see, already table is there. Now client is asking to add an extra column. So see, I want to change the definition, or else like client is asking instead of name of the customer or name of the candidate or address details. Now what happened? Client is asking to change some definition. Now how can I change the definition? We should go for what concept?
alter,
Alter. See, point is that what now? Okay, see, after saying mute yourself. So see, now what happened? Now table is already available. Now I want to do some changes in the table definition, like adding a new column or dropping an existing column or renaming the column. See, now what happened? Now I want to do some changes in the definition. So definition, nothing but what? Okay, now I want to do, tell me, I want to add a new column. So drop an existing column or increase the data size. Okay, so same thing, rename the column. Okay, I rename the table name. Now what happened? These are the definitions. Now we should go for what command? Go for what? Go for alter. See, create is nothing but what? It is used to create a new database object. Suppose what happened? Simply, I purchased one shirt. Okay, so now what happened? I purchased a L size shirt. Now my size is M. Now what I should do? Tell me now. I can't able to run. What I should do? What I
alter,
should do? I should go for tailor and do the alteration.
Alter.
Same concept. Your table is already created. Now what happened? Now I want to do some modification in the definition. Now I should go for what? I should go for alter statement. Simple thing. I want to add a new column. I want to add an extra pocket or remove the pocket. We should go for tailor alter. Same thing. Here also what happened? Alter is the same thing. Now I want to do some changes in the definition, like adding a new column. We should go for what? Go for alter command to modify the existing database object definition. We should go for this concept, alter. Now what happened? Now point is that what? Now I want to add a new column. How to add a new column? By using alter. See, alter table name. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, 1 second. So see, so syntaxes you should by heart. There is no other option. Alter table name. Okay, add column name, data type. Okay, see, this is the functional. Alter table name, add column name, data type. So see, now point is that what? Alter table. So see what happened? What's your table name? Say other details. Okay, see, alter table name, add, I wanted country. Country is what data type? It's a varchar. Now question is that what? Tell me the new column will be added at the starting or middle or at the last. Anyone?
at the end,
At the
At
end.
the end.
See, point is that what? Now already 5 columns are there. Now tell me how's the list of columns? Describe table
table,
name. So table name. So describe table name. Now see
Table.
what happened? Column names, data types, and a data size. Column names, data type, and a data size. Okay, now point is that what? Now the new column will be added at the last. Okay, see, now see the same thing. Control enter. Now the new column will be added at the last. See, it is added at the last. Now what happened again? Client is saying, okay, drop this column. Now I don't want. Now go for what? Alter table
table,
name. So
drop
drop
column,
column column name, country. So we can able to add, we can able to drop the function. So this is the way we can able to do this. Okay, see now what happened? Now column will be dropped. Okay, see, so the column will be dropped. Okay, we can able to add a new column, drop an existing column. We can able to do all this function. This is alter command. Next point is that what again? Client is tell me how it's list of tables, show show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Now client is asking in the Scrum call. Okay, now what happened? Client is asking, I don't want this table anymore. Or now I want to remove this table. Now tell me how to remove the table.
Drop.
Drop. So see, so as of now, create is to create a new table. Now what happened? Drop nothing but what? I want to remove the database object. It can be what? It can be table, or it can be views, it can be schemas, it can be database also. We can able to drop. What is syntax? Drop table table name. So see now point is that what? I want to drop this table. See, drop table name, control enter. Okay, see now what happened? Tell me it will be there. Object will be removed permanently. See. So see one more time. We'll try to conclude this topic. Okay. So see, point is that what now I want to do some DDL, nothing but what? Data definition language. Okay, see data. So definition language. So we are having create, alter, and drop. So create statement, alter statement, and drop statement. So create is nothing but what? New database object creation. What is alter? Okay, see, to modify the existing database object definition. So definition. Now what about drop? Drop to remove the existing database object. So remember, create is a new database object creation. Alter and drop, already the object should be there. I want to do some modification, the renaming the column or renaming the table, which go for alter statement. What about drop? To remove the existing database object from the database or removing the existing object, like it can be table or view or anything. Now I want to fetch the data. How to fetch the data? By using DRL, data retrieval or query language, that is select statement. So far we discussed DDL and DRL. Clear so far? So see, we as of now, definition we perform and fetching the data or query, that is DRL statement. Now next two thing is that what now I want to populate this data. Tell me how to populate this data. How to populate? Now I need to populate the data by using insert, that is DML. So far we discussed creation of the table. So remember, so see, we need to create the table. Next one is that what? Let me go back here. Okay, see, go back here. Let me take the data create table syntax. So table syntax. Okay, tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name. Select current
database.
Okay, current schema.
Schema.
And what's my username?
Current user.
Current user. Okay, and version? Current is a version. Current version. Okay, so current version. See, we're in DevDB, Dev Schema, Praveen SF 8.47.1. Okay, this is the current version. Okay, now in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. Go for show tables. Okay, now I want to create a new database object. We should go for what concept? Go for create statement. So see, so create statement. I'm executing one statement. I will discuss later point of time. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll explain later point of time. Don't forget. So this is one confusing topic. So don't do anything. So simply, I'm trying to create one table. So table. Okay, now how to see list of tables? Show tables. Now how to fetch the data by using which command? Select statement. See, select start from table name. Now we'll get data is available. So data is available. Now point is that what? Now I want to populate some data or I want to insert some data. Now we should go for what commands? What commands?
Insert.
Insert.
DML commands. Okay, see, so far discuss DDL and DRL. Now I want to populate some data. Now how to populate some data with the help of what? With the help of DML.
Insert.
That is DML. So far definition will go for DDL. Retrieve go for DRL. Now I want to populate data. I should go for DML. That is data manipulation language. Tell me in Snowflake, what are the DML commands we're having?
Insert, update,
Insert,
delete,
update, delete.
merge, truncate.
Tell me. Tell me.
Insert, update, delete, truncate.
Insert, update, delete. Only three. Yeah? Two more are there.
Merge,
Merge is also there. And remember in Snowflake, truncate is a DML. DML in Snowflake perspective. In Snowflake, we'll discuss. In Snowflake, truncate is a DML. In Snowflake perspective, truncate is a DML. That's what I mean. Okay, see, insert, update, delete, merge, and truncate. So these are the DMLs in Snowflake. Okay, see one more time. So see, so we discussed so far DDL and DRL. Now we want to populate or we want to manipulate. Like we should go for a DML. Insert. Tell me what is insert is nothing but what? What is insert? Tell me.
to insert the data into the table.
So table, tell me table should be there or not?
Yes.
Okay, so what about database? So first database, schema, then table should be available. Schema should be available. So see the same thing. After saying mute yourself, you see. Now point is that what? Insert is nothing but what? To insert or to populate a new record in the existing database table. So see, point is that what? Already database should be there, schema should be there, then table should be available. Without table, we can't. So it is used to insert a new record in the existing database table. Syntax, see the syntax, insert into table name. Okay, so bracket open, bracket close. So remember the syntaxes you should by heart. Okay, there is no other option. So column 1, column 2, column 3. Go back here values. Okay, so val1, okay, then val2, okay, then val3. Okay, see how many columns are there? Those many values should be given. Okay, insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, val1, val2, val3. So see, this is the functional data. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? Insert into table name. So see, now go back here. Now tell me, now I forgot my table name. Tell me how to get the table name. I forgot the table name. How to get?
Show table.
Show tables. Now how to fetch the data? Select statement. Select star from table name. So table name, control enter. Okay, now I want to populate the data. How to populate? By using insert statement. Insert into the table name, bracket open, bracket close, which we want what? Let me take the screenshot. So these are main thing. Okay, without this, nothing will get. Okay, the certificate call as basic building blocks of SQL. So now first step is to I created one table. Next, we need to populate the data. How to populate? With the help of insert statement. Now we want Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. Now how many columns I want to give here? We want to give 3 columns. Okay, Aadhaar number. Okay, comma. Next column is that what? Name and mobile number. Okay, see mobile number. Important, listen a little bit carefully. Mobile, okay. Control. See 3 columns. Now tell me now how many values I should give here. How many values I should give here? Tell me.
3 values.
So 3. So suppose if I put 1, it will work. Huh?
No.
So see 3 columns, compulsory 3 values. See, it says SQL compilation insert values does not match column list. Expected how many? 1, 2, 3. But got 1. Okay, see 1. Now point is that what? How many we should get? How many values? We should give 3 values. You're getting 1 value. Control C, Control V. Now I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me it work? It work? Tell me it work or not?
No.
Why?
No.
Because so expecting 3, but got what? But got 4. But got 4. Okay, so it's a compilation. So this is the same thing. Okay, see, we should give same number of the same thing. This is fine. Now same thing. Let me copy the functionality. Now go back here. Listen, important. This is very, very important concept. So see, now removing all this 3 column, 3 values. Now I'm putting Praveen. Tell me it work? Yes or no? So single column, single value. Tell me it work?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Anybody?
It work, but
No.
Number data
no,
type.
because
No.
data type is mismatch.
Now, how did because we don't know, no? So remember, there will be multiple columns, multiple things will be there. First, we should execute because no, there will be multiple tables and multiple columns. We can't able to remember all the things. No, so for this purpose, first execute and confirm. Now, see, it's saying it says numeric value Praveen is not recognized. Tell me what the issue? What's the issue?
Data type is numeric.
Data
Okay, see,
type.
so how to
Data
check?
type is numeric.
How can know how to check?
Describe.
Describe
So
table.
describe. So see, we should debug or backtrace. Describe table name. So
Table.
table name. Okay. See now issue with which column? Which column? Other number. Other number is what data type? It's a number. So
Number.
point is that what? So this insert statement, other number is having numeric value issue. Numeric value issue is nothing but what? In the number data type, apart from number, we're getting string value. Okay. Apart from number, if we get anything, it will throw. It's a numeric value issue. See one more time. So see here. So see. Okay. See. So see point is that what? Other number is a number. It only accommodate number value. It can't able to understand what is Praveen is the same thing. So this is a. So see this one. So make this. You see. So this is the functionality. Now what happened in number? We should accommodate only number thing. Number. That was the function. You got the point? Huh? So this is fine. Okay, see, okay, we should have only same number of columns and the same values. In number, we can accommodate only number thing. So this is the main thing. Okay, so Control C. Seeing this error message, you should be in a position. This is numeric issue. This is data type issue. This is the functionality. Other number. Now what happened? They want what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, same thing. Produce. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so same thing. What about name? Name I want Praveen. Okay. Next they want number. Okay, see same, put the same data. If it is uppercase, same number we need to give. Tell me it work. 3 columns, 3 values. Tell me it work or not? It should work. Tell me.
No, sir.
It work or it should work? It not work. Tell me.
It will not work
Why?
because the string value should be in the column. Inverted.
Tell me. So see point is that what? See. Okay, let me execute and confirm. So see everything. So it says invalid identifier Praveen. Tell me what the issue, what is the issue because tell me. Tell me issue. So see point is that what? Issue is that what? Tell me. So see this is number no need of any single code, but the string or alphabets or alphanumeric compulsory should be enclosed with what? Enclosed with single quote. Okay, see remember numbers no need of any single quotes, but alphanumeric or alphabets or special character we should put in a single quote. Tell me it work. So see other number name control enter, it should work. Now how to see the data? Tell me how to see the data. By using what? Select a star from table name. So table name. So see table name, control enter. Now what happened? Now see data is available. Now see point is that what? Now I fetch the data. Now this is fine. Now this is important point. This is the current session. Open one more session. Now which database? EDW database. Dev schema. How to list of tables? Show tables. Control enter. Now how to fetch the data? Select star from table name. Control enter. Now tell me, see, data is available in this session, but data is not available. Any reason? Tell me why? Why?
We
You
haven't
should give commit command
commit
after.
So
commit
see,
command.
so this is important point. So see, right now with the help of DDL, okay, important, listen, DDL, I create the table. With the help of DML, I insert the data. But what happened now? Data is available in my current session. Wherever I insert now, data is available. But the data is not available here. Reason is that what, tell me? So remember, so DMLs are called
Auto
as transactions. Okay, see, transactions. So these DMLs are not auto committable. So this is the same thing. So see, remember in Snowflake, in normal databases, what happened? So DMLs are called as transactions. DMLs are not auto committable. So point is that what, whenever I perform any DMLs, the data will be available in the current session. So data will not be available here. Now I want to get the data here. Now how to get the data here? We should go for what concept? What concept? What concept, anyone?
TCL.
So I need to control the transaction. Tell me how to control the transactions with the help of what command?
Commit.
TCL,
Commit rollback.
transaction control. Okay, so see, point is that what? So DMLs are called as transactions. These transactions are not auto committable. Now I want to control this transaction. Tell me how to control these transactions with the help of TCL. What's the
TCL.
abbreviation for TCL? Say transaction control language. You should remember all these things. So transaction control language. If I want to do anything, we should go for transaction because DMLs are not auto committable. So once we perform any DMLs, we should explicitly control them by using transaction control language. These are divided into commit and rollback. So commit and rollback. What is commit is nothing but what? Saving the data permanently, okay, in the database table. Okay, so see the same thing. Now what happened? So this is important. Committing is nothing but what? Saving the data permanently in the database table. See, simple thing. So see, in the current session, data is available because I exited here, data is available. Same thing, if I open one more session, data is not available because since DMLs are not auto committable, I should control this transaction. Now put commit. Commit is nothing but what? This data is permanently saved in the database. Now what happened? Now data will be available here. Simple thing what happened. Let me now what happened? This data I want to save. Now see, Control S. Go to the same thing. So see now what happened. Now save it. So DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, DCL. Now what happened? Save it. So save data is saved permanently. So that what I can able to get the data. Same thing. Now what happened? Commit is nothing but what? Data is permanently saved in this database, and we are trying to get this. This is called as, okay, got the pointer. This is transaction control language. So see, first we'll see the commit, they'll go for rollback. So committing is nothing but data is saved permanently in the database table. So this is one. Now go for one more record. So see, I want to go for Aadhaar number, name, only 2 columns. Now tell me how to populate with the help of insert statement. Insert into table name. Now how many columns I want to insert? Only Aadhaar number. Okay, see, Aadhaar number, name. See, Aadhaar number, go slowly. Okay, see, step by step. Okay, create the tables. Okay, see, Aadhaar number and name. Okay, see, 2 columns. Okay, so 2 columns. Now how many values I should populate? Compulsory 2 values should be populate. Okay, see. Okay. So see, so once and 1, so 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Now what happened? Name. Name I should put Kumar. Tell me for alphabets what I should put? Put in a single quote. So 2 columns, compulsory 2 values. What is shortcut? control enter. Tell me how many columns are there in my table? There are 5 columns are there. But how many values we are populating? Populating how many values? Only 2 columns. Now remaining 3 columns, what value get populated by default?
Null values.
So null value. We'll see null separately. See, as of now, what happened? We are inserting only 2 columns. Other number, name. Remaining 3 columns by default, null will be populated. See, control enter. Now tell me data will be available where? In the current session only. What about other session? What happened? Only committed data. Only committed data. Committed data, nothing but what? Only the first record will be available. Now, how to get the second data here? What I should do? Do the commit. Control enter. Now data will be available. So point is that what? DMLs are not auto committable. This need to be controlled with the help of transaction control language, that is commit. Once we commit, what happened? Data will be available in all the sessions in enter database. If you wish, no, data will be available. So 2 records will be there. 2 records are there. Okay, this is one. Same thing. Let me go for one more command. Control C. Go back here. Control V. Okay, now what happened? Go for third record. Okay. So C33. So this will take some time, but you need to go step by step on. Okay, 4, 5, 5. Now what happened? Raj, and they want to go for Kadappa and go for raj@gmail.com. Okay, see @gmail. Tell me it will work. Anyone? Tell me it will work. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Tell me. No, why?
Because there are 2 columns and we are placing 3 values.
So there are 2 columns, but we are putting 4 values. It will says expecting 2, but got 4. Okay, but got 4. But how many columns we should put? So name, address, and mobile. Okay, see address. Address, and one more thing is that, what is the thing? Address, one column, email. Okay, email. Okay. Now see what happened. Now see, this is important. It says invalid identifier mail. What is the issue? What is the issue? Invalid identifier. What is the issue? Simple issue. Tell me.
Column name.
Column name is email.
Okay, column name is email. How to confirm? Go back here. How to confirm? Can go
Describe.
for. So describe
Table.
table name. So table name. So what's our table? Other details T control enter. What's our column name? Column name is email, but I put mail. If I put spelling mistake or column name is not, I will get what? Will get invalid identifier. One more time. When we get this type of error? Whenever the column name is not correct or spelling mistake, or so you'll get this type of issue. Okay, see now our column name is email. Okay, so email. Okay, see email. Okay, got the point. So this is the functionality. Now how to see the data? By using what? By using select statement. Select star from the data. Okay, see select star from table. It is projecting the same thing. Now what happens here? What happened? Data is there. Now how to get data there? We should commit the transaction. Control this transaction. Same thing. Populate one more record. Control C. Control V. Now what happened now? Next record is that they want to go for only Aadhaar number and name. Okay, Aadhaar number. So 6676 666 Okay, they're going to go for only 2 columns. Okay, see remaining 2 columns. What we can put? We can put what? We can put null. We'll see the same thing separately. We can put null, or we can ignore the columns. Okay. So we'll see the same thing, null separate concept. Okay, see the same thing. We can put like null, or we can ignore the columns. We can put address null. Okay, control enter. Now what happened? See the data. Okay, commit the data. So now, so both will have same data. So this is the function. Here also get the same data will be available. So both are having same data. Okay. Let me copy paste. You need to try same thing. This is fine. Now what happened one more time? So see, first I create Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. No need to install any software or hardware. Next, to create one development database, create one development schema, and then create one table. Now, how we're creating table with the help of DDL, that is create
statement.
create table. Okay, then we should go for DML, that is insert data. Tell me, DMLs are called as what? DMLs called as transactions. Okay, see, transaction. So transaction. Now, how to control these transactions with the help of TCL, that is commit. Now, how to fetch the data? Now, how to fetch the data? That is using DRL, that is select statement. So see one more time. Now what happened? Create one Snowflake account. Okay, Snowflake account. Okay. Now what happened? It's a SaaS model. Create one SQL worksheet. Create one database, one schema. Create a table inside the data. Since it is not auto committable, we should control the transactions with the help of TCL, committing the data, fetch the data. This is called as DDL, DML, TCL, and a DRL. So data definition language, create statement, alter statement, drop statement, insert, committing, and fetching with the help of select statement. Now point is that what? Now data is available. Now requirement is that what? Now I want to modify the data. Now we should go for what concept? What concept? Data is already available. Now I want to modify the data. Now we should go for which concept? Tell me.
DML.
So DML, which command?
Update.
Update statement. See, point is that what? So data is already available. Suppose see, I want to change the definition. We should go for what command? DDL alter statement. Now I want to modify the data. We should go for what? Go for DML, that is update statement. So inserting is a new record. Now what happened? Update is nothing but what? What is update statement? To modify the existing record in the database table. So remember, first database should be there, schema should be there, table should be there, and the record should be there. It is used to modify the existing record. So point is that what? Already record should be there. Then only we can able to modify the data. So to modify the existing record. What is syntax? Syntax is what? Syntax update table name set column name equal to value. Okay, see value. So see update table name set column name equal to value. So this, so already data is there. Now what happened? Now he want to change name from, so see Praveen Kumar. He want to modify to null to Hyderabad. Okay. Now what happened? Now we should go for what concept? Go for update statement. I forgot my table name. How to get the table name?
Show tables.
Show tables. Like this only you need to learn show tables. Now I want to fetch the data. How to fetch the data? By saying select statement. So select statement. Now point is that what? Now table is already there. Now what happened? Data is already available. Now what happened? Now client is asking. Now he's asking to change the data. Now how to change the data? By saying update statement. Update table name set. What he want to set? Set name. Now set name equals to what they want to put. So Praveen Kumar. So this is fine. So this is one update statement. Same thing. Now what happened? He wants to update address. Okay, see address. Okay. Okay, now tell me now set address equals to Kadapa. Okay. Tell me if do we write multiple update statements for one record? Tell me. So now I want to update 10 columns. Tell me, can I write 10 update statements? Tell me, not required. No, single update statement. So single update statement. See, simple thing. Update table name set name equal to Praveen Kumar. Same thing, comma. If I want to add one more thing, we can go for like this. You can have multiple columns we can able to update in a single state. One more time. So see, if I want to update the same record, multiple columns, no, don't go for 2, 3, single statement. We can put comma. We can put column 3, val 3. Same thing, column 4, val 4. Like this, multiple columns, we can able to do the same thing. With a single update statement, I can able to perform like this. See, control. Syntaxes are important for everything. Put semicolon. Now point is that what I want to update. So Praveen Kumar. So see Kadapa. Okay, now what happened? Put capital case. So this is fine. Now tell me if I update, what will happen? What will happen?
It will update the whole table.
Tell me.
It
Whole.
will update the whole table.
Override the existing data.
For not override, it's correct only, but what happened not? Again, for all records, okay, see how many records are there? See 4 records, but we want only this record. Now see, control enter. See, number of rows update is what? 4. Tell me 4. Huh? We want how many? Only 1 record. Now select star from the table. See, control enter. Now see, correct? Huh? All the 4 records update to Praveen Kumar. Kadapa is correct? Huh? Tell me. No. Now see, remember, point is that what? So only one guy need to update. But what happened instead of thing? It's a mistake. Now I want to rectify this issue. Now I want to revert the changes. How to revert the changes with the help of what?
TCL, rollback.
Rollback. See, point is that what? See, but here tell me now data will be updated data or old data. Tell me here. Here in this differentiation, tell me. Differentiation, old data. Because no, what? Why? Because
We haven't commit the data.
since we did not commit the data, now previous data will be there. Only the committed data will be available. But here this is uncommitted data. Now I want to revert the changes. How to revert the changes with the help of TCL? That is rollback. Rollback. See, rollback. Control enter. Now see, it is reverting the changes. Okay, commit is nothing but what? To save the uncommitted data. What is rollback? To revert the committed data. Tell me. To revert the uncommitted data. See, point is this. So TCL transaction control language. Okay, see, remember. So DMLs are called as transactions. Okay, see these transactions, how to control? Tell me how to control. Tell me how to control with the help of DCL. Okay, again these are divided into commit and rollback. Tell me what is commit will do? What is commit will do? Commit will do?
Commit will commit the changes.
Save the
Permanent.
data permanently in the
which type
database.
of, which type of data? Uncommitted data. Uncommitted data permanently in the database tables. What is rollback? Reverted the uncommitted. So remember, once we commit, we can't able to. So uncommitted data. So the changes which you don't want, we can able to revert the changes. This is called as a rollback. Commit is nothing but save the data permanently. Rollback is nothing but what? Revert the uncommitted data. So see, this is the function. Okay.
How
Now,
many
so
rollbacks you can do, Praveen? How many
come again?
rollbacks? How many rollbacks you can do?
No, here there is no roll save point is not there. In Oracle Arsenal, we have save points. Here rollback is not option. Yes, so you have only rollback. It will come, it will revert the all the changes. What if
Okay,
if I perform
only one step, it will go back.
one step. That's one thing. That's it. So whereas in Oracle, we have save point option is there. Here, no save point is there. So this is the functionality. Okay, see now what happened now. So see the data. Okay, see select star from, we'll get the committed data will be available. Now we don't want all the things. We want only particular record. Go for what? Go for filtering concept. We'll see filtering concept in Monday session in detail. Okay, see now we don't want all the records. We want only this record. Go for where concept, where filtering concept, where Aadhaar number equals to 1, 2. So only this record, copy the here copy. Okay, you should know how to navigate. See, Control V, Control Enter. Okay, see, data is available. Now what happened? Now I want to modify. Okay, see, tell me what's the drawback of this thing? It will update all the records. Now tell me it's correct. We should revert the changes. Roll back, roll back. Now we should go for what? Instead of this thing, use the filtering concept. Control C. Simple things, sir. Just to do 1 or 2 times, it will be working fine. Now tell me now what happened. Tell me it will work. It will work. So what is update statement? So it is used to modify the existing record. Tell me record is there? Record is not there. So point is that what update is to modify the existing record. Record should be available. Then we can able to perform this functionality. What is shortcut? Control Enter is the shortcut. Okay. Now see number of rows updated. Confirm. Now tell me confirm. Now here Praveen Kumar Kadapa. Tell me you'll get what? You'll get Praveen Kumar? No, because data is not committed. Now what happened? How to control this transaction? Commit. Commit is nothing but what? Data will be stored permanently. Now this data will be, now instead of Praveen, you'll get Praveen Kumar and Kadapa will be there. Like this, you can able to. So to modify the existing data, we should go for, okay, see DML, that is update statement. Same thing. Now what happened? Let me go back here. Now see what happened. This is fine. Update statement. Now same thing. Go for second record. So this record I want to modify address. Now how to modify? We should go for what? First we should fetch the data. Okay. See, step by step we should go. Okay. So see now we want to go for what? Go for which data? Go for this data. Okay. See. Okay. Now how to modify the data? We should go for what? Go for update statement. Update
Table name.
Table name. So what I want to set which column they want to modify? They want to modify address, only address column. See, address equals to, they want what? They want only Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad. We want all records. We want only particular records. Go for filtering concept. So see, it will update only particular record. So see, confirm. See, one record, confirm it is modified or not. Then do the committing. So once we perform commit, data will be stored permanently. This is fine. Okay, so for good update statement. Now next point is that what? Now I want to remove this record. So far update is fine. Now I want to remove this data. Now how to remove the existing data?
By using delete command.
By using delete statement.
DML.
So see, okay, see. So see, got the point. See, point is that what? Okay, see, point is that what? Okay, now data is available. Now I want to remove the data. Now we should go for what command? Go for delete. So delete. So see, point is that what? So delete. It is used to delete or remove the existing record in the database table. Remember, if I want to perform update or delete, record should be available. Without record, we can't able to perform. So it is used to delete or remove the existing record in the database table. What is syntax? Tell me syntax. Syntax. Delete from table name. So table name. See the same thing. Now how many records are there here? As of now, 4 records are there. Now I want to delete. So delete from table name. Now what happened? Tell me. Tell me what happened.
It will delete all the records.
Delete all the records. Tell me 4 records. Tell me it's correct? Correct? Now see how many records will be there in my current session? Will be 0 records. Is it correct? Not. What about here? We'll get all the 4 records. 4 records. Okay. Now point is that what? Now is it correct? Now I want to revert these changes. I don't want these changes. Then what I should go? Go for roll back, control enter. So it will be reverting the changes. Okay, see. So this is the functionality. Now we don't want all records. We want only which record? Last record. How to delete our last record? So see, use the filtering concept. That is, so delete from table where Aadhaar number. Okay, see, Aadhaar number equal to, so this is the functionality. Okay, control V, control enter. So see now, so see the data, one row related. So confirm and confirm, then only commit. Okay, see commit. Okay, so this is the functionality control. Okay, see one more time. We'll see truncate and later point of time. So see the same thing. So see one more time. Now we discussed what is Snowflake. It's a, tell me, it's a cloud based
fully
data
managed.
warehouse, fully managed data warehouse, data storage, data processing, and
Yes.
data analytics. So mainly for data migration project. And it's a SaaS model. Now I want to communicate with the Snowflake. How to communicate? With the help of SQL. Again, SQL is nothing but it's a bridge between
User and Snowflake.
user and Snowflake. Again, these are divided into SQL commands or languages or statements. Okay, or statements are basic
building
building blocks of
SQL.
SQL. Okay, see again these are divided into DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DQL, and DCL. So we'll see pending topics. Okay, Monday session. Data definition language. In this one, what discussed? It's a create, alter, drop. Okay, see create, alter, drop. Okay, see create nothing but what? It is used to create a new database object. It is to modify the existing database object definition. What is drop? Removing the existing database object. What about DML? It's a to, okay, see, to modify the data. Okay, modify or populate the data. Okay, now what happened? We're having again these are divided into insert, update, delete, merge, and truncate. So pending we'll discuss Monday session. So what is insert? To populate a new record. New record where? In the existing database table. What about update? To modify the existing record. What about delete? To delete the existing record. So record. We'll see merge and truncate later point of. Now what happens? So remember, DMLs are called as transactions. This transaction explicitly need to control. How to control? With the help of commit and rollback. Commit is nothing but what? Tell me, commit is nothing but what? Saving the data
permanently in the database.
Data permanently in the database table. Okay. What is rollback? Nothing but what? Reverting the changes. Okay. What about DRL? It's a data retrieval or query. Now I want to fetch the data. We should go for data retrieval or data query language, step by step. Now I'll try to give some tasks to work on it. See. So your task is to tell me daily what we are working on. What we are working on? Migration project. Moving from Oracle to Snowflake. Tell me the first phase. What we'll try to migrate? In the first phase?
Tables.
So in the first phase, we'll try to migrate tables. Tell me, do you have sprint call will be there? Sprint is of 2 weeks. Tell me, sprint is nothing but what? See right now, assume like, so 30th January, or else like next week. 6th. John 6th. Tell me it's a 2 weeks, nothing but what? From Monday to Friday. Okay, this is 17th. 17th. Okay, 2 weeks. Okay, so 2 weeks of sprints. Nothing but what? For particular 2 weeks, the work will be assigned by who? By the Scrum Master. See, daily we'll have Scrum Master, the Scrum call, all the team members, dev team, admin team, testing team, BA, all that people will be gathered and discuss on the use cases. Okay, ticketing tool will be given. Now your task is to create one table and populate the data. So with the help of create statement, insert statement, commit and fetching the data. So create this table. So second table, third table. Now what happened now? This is not good looking. Now I want to modify the table name. How to modify the table name? Table name.
Alter table.
So alter table name. So see, we should go for, okay, we need to change the definition. Go for alter command. Now same thing. Now what happened now? I want to, so instead of country, I want to go for country. Okay, naming standards. Now how to change the naming? You should go for what? Go for alter command. So create multiple database and multiple schemas. Got the point. So now your task is to create the same thing. So submit yourself. Now see, now point is that what you should do a task like this. Okay, see, somebody send. So see, so you should do, okay, you should do a task like this. Okay, say send the task so that I can able to validate. Okay. So create the tables like this. Okay, coding standards and send me so that I can able to validate and revert the same thing. Okay, like this way you need to put efforts. Okay, see, don't think okay it's simple. You need to put effort because ultimately we need to work like this only in the projects. Okay, create multiple tables. Okay, change this. So this is the functionality. And starting somebody asked no. So let me create. Okay. ID. Suppose I am putting date 1. Varchar. Okay. Don't worry. Those are not able to understand. We'll see the same thing. So date 1, date 2. I'm putting date. Control enter. So now how to populate data by using which command? Insert. Insert into TT values. I'm putting suppose like see 0, 1. Now see data. Okay, now how to fetch data by using which command? Tell me. Select statement. Select a star from DETA. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now tell me this is what? This is rating what? Date calendar. Yes or no? Okay. What about here? Tell me this is getting as calendar. So the point is that what if I put everything as varchar, what happened? So now it's a date, it's a date, but what happened? It treat as a string. Got the point. So the point is that what okay for a number we should put number data. For alpha bits or alpha go for varchar. For date go for date. If I put see now what happened? Now I inserted both as same thing. See, both are same thing. But what happened? One is treated as date, other treated as string. Why? Because it is a varchar and say string. Got the point? Getting the difference? So always make sure like we should give proper data types for particular column. If it is a number, give number one. If it is a string, give the alpha varchar. If it is a date, go for date one. Got it? Clear so far?